Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Second question on contract costing. Paramount engineers are engaged in construction and erection of a bridge under a long-term contract. The cost incurred up to 31st March 2014 was as under fabrication cost, direct material, direct labor, overheads, total 440. Next, erection cost to date 110, total 550. The contract price is 11 crores. How much contract price? 11 crores. And the cash received on account till 31st March 2014 was 6 crores. The technical estimate of the contract indicates the following degree of completion of work. It's important. The technical estimate of the contract indicates the following degree of completion of work. Fabrication, direct material 70%, direct labor and overheads 60%, erection 40%. What is the inner meaning in this sentence? Already direct material 70% is expended. That means the amounts given in the problem, direct material 2,80,000, this is the 70% amount only. That means we have to spend further cost 30%. How much future cost? 280 lakhs into remaining how much? 30%. How much we have? 70%. So denominator percentage, required percentage. So 30% is the required percentage. 2 lakh 280 into 30 by 70. How much? We have to spend further cost 120 lakhs. This is the further cost. Okay, like this all labor, overheads, etc. we see in problem. Okay, direct labor and overheads 60%, erection 40%. You are required to estimate the profit that could be taken to costing profit and loss account against this partly completed contract as at 31st March 2014. Okay. In this problem, we have to find out, one is notional profit. To find out notional profit, we have to find out further cost, that means estimated cost. Next, work certified. After that, degree of completion of contract. These 4 items we have to find out in this problem. Okay. Working notes. Statement showing estimated profit to date and future profit on the completion of the contract. These all amounts are given in the problem. Okay. 70%, 60% direct labor, 60% overheads, erection cost 40%. These are all amounts are given. That means further cost, how much? 70% this year, that means 30% further year, 60%, 40%. These are all simple. So now we calculate 2,80,000 into 30 by 70. No, 30 by 70, it will give this amount. Next, 100 lakhs into 40% by 60, it will give 66.667. Next, these are all same normal. Overheads, 60 lakhs into 40 by 60, it will give 40 lakhs. Like erection cost also, 110 lakhs into required how much? 60% given 40. So it will give this amount. So total amount 550 lakhs. Okay, total further cost how much? 391 lakh 67,000 is the total further cost. So total cost, that means total contract cost is 550 lakhs plus 391 lakh 67,000. That means 941 lakh 67,000 is the total contract cost. Okay, this is the total contract cost. We know the contract price how much? 11 crores. That means 1100 lakhs. We can get profit on contract. This is the balancing figure. How much? 158 lakh 33,000 is the balancing figure. We have to segregate this profit between cost to date and further cost. Profit how much? 158 lakhs 158 lakh 33,000. It belongs to cost up to date and further cost. For better understanding, $158.33 into up to now how much cost we have in there? 550 lakhs. So denominator required 550 lakhs. Total cost how much? 941 lakh 67,000. 941 lakh 67,000. We can get profit belongs to up to date. That means 92 lakh 48,000 is the cost profit up to date. The remaining balance is the further profit. Okay, this is the notional profit. Now we have to find out how much profit transfer to costing profit and loss account and work in progress account. For that we have to find out percentage of completion of contract. To know that we have to find out work certified. How can we find out work certified? Total cost plus profit, it gives work certified. 642 lakh 48,000 is the work certified. Percentage of completion of contract, how can we find out? Work certified by contract price into 100. So it gives percentage of completion of contract how much? 642 lakh 48,000 is the work certified by contract price is 1100 lakhs. It gives 58.4% into 100. It gives 58.4%. That means which formula we have to find out? The formula is 2/3 of notional profit into cash received by work certified. That's the formula. Notional profit is 92 lakh 48,000 into 2/3 of cash received given in the problem. How much? 6 crores. That means 600 lakhs by work certified. We know work certified 642 lakhs 48,000. This is the work certified. We can get profit transfer to profit and loss account. How much? 57 lakh 58,000. This is the profit transfer to profit and loss account. This is our answer. Okay, I hope you understand. In this problem they give only present percentage of completion of contract and cost to date. After that we find out further cost. After that we reduce the total cost we get profit. We segregate this profit into two amounts, that means up to and further profit. This notional profit can be segregated profit and loss account and work in progress. So that's why we find out work certified. This is the work certified. After that, percentage of completion of contract. After that, a formula is substituted. This is the problem.